Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a data encoder. Okay, basically this job description of a data encoder, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important duties and responsibilities of a data encoder that helps potential candidates to work on important requirements in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, like I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then you will see the duties and responsibilities section, and at the end you will also see the requirement, or you can say qualification section as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph. We are seeking a reliable, organized, detail oriented data encoder to join our growing team. Candidate should be a focused, quick thinker who can comfortably handle and process large quantities of data accurately and effectively. Previous experience with computer data entry systems and processes is a plus. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities that provides more detailed duties and responsibilities that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a data encoder. And one more thing, like all these duties and responsibilities are important, and generally these are part of every job description of a data encoder, but because of the fact that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude this particular duties and responsibilities with as per their own requirement as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these duties and responsibilities. As a data encoder, your duties and responsibilities include accurately and efficiently encode all data that needs organizing and recording, confirm that entered data accurately aligns with original documentation, organize and maintain original paper evidence, assure files are properly prepared and saved to backup drives, transcribe, scan, or photocopy hard copy documents and forms as needed. Self audit your work, checking for errors or duplication. Organize files in a logical and manageable fashion. Adhere to and meet set schedules and deadlines. Input, track, and maintain all encoded data and records. Perform any other office task that management requires assistance with, sending emails, answering phones, etc. Report any major errors or inconsistencies to upper management. Maintain report logs of in progress and or completed work. So all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities for a job of a data encoder. After the detailed duties and responsibilities, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a data encoder. Like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a data encoder, you must have a high school diploma or GET equivalent required. Bachelor's or associate degree is highly preferred. Knowledge and experience working within our specific industry. You must also be computer literate with experience using Microsoft Suite and other data entry programs such as Microsoft Excel and Access. You must also be proficient and dexterous typist. You must also can encode data with speed and accuracy. You must also have basic math skills, ability to quickly process and organize information. You must also need to have a high attention to detail, adept at file management both digitally and manually, able to effectively time manage and prioritize tasks, strong troubleshooting and critical thinking skills, finishes work in an efficient and timely manner. So all these are the detailed requirements for a job of a data encoder. Okay, and at the end our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of a data encoder. So basically a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on a job description of a data encoder. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page. And do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.